Welcome to another gold analysis, traders. We can see that from the lower time frame, gold started to move in a very predictable way. We will be looking at lower time frame to see how we can find trading opportunity on the lower time frame. Before we look at that, let's quickly look at higher time frame, starting with the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market. Now, looking at the monthly, we can see that gold is bull market. Starting from here, this is the monthly impulse on gold, which is very important, strong bullish market structure on gold. And previous months, we can see another bullish candle, which has also long wick at the bottom. After this previous monthly close, we can see that gold managed to bounce back to the upside to create a new higher high, which is basically a strong bullish market structure. And we could see that continuation to the upside after initial pullback. This is the previous monthly resistance, which is turning support here. Dropping down to the weekly chart, what we can see that from the weekly also it is bull market. We can see there is weekly doji, which is in fact a very strong liquidity gap from the swing low followed by previous week a strong bullish candle. Now this week we can see that this is a very strong bull candle as well, and we can see currently the market in a deeper pullback. If we draw this weekly low, which is in fact this week's low, where there is a previous resistance here, if we drop a little bit to the line, we can see above this green candle is the previous resistance of the swing high, which is turning support. There are two probable scenarios later today as there is a high impact news coming. We could see a retest of this either 2474 or 2460 level on the weekly, and we may see that a continuation to the upside as it is long-term bull market. Dropping down to the daily to see how the market is evolving, we can see that from the daily after this daily long wick candle, this is a strong rejection from all-time high. Previous day a doji formation. Now the market is coming down for a potential wick fill, which is basically highly likely that gold may come down to fill that long wick at the bottom. And with that wick fill, we might see even the price is dropping down to the support here, or even can expect it to come back to this previous resistance here, which is turning support here on gold, and expecting for the market to drop down to create a new lower low. So if we look at the intraday time frame from the 4 hour, we can see that there is a strong breakdown followed by a doji, and the market now dropping down again in the local trending direction. Though the long-term trend is up, we could see anytime a rejection to the upside. My bias is still to the upside as it is a long-term bullish market. Now from that zone, we might see even a sudden drop to break the low and then to continue to the upside aggressively again to the major direction of the trend. So if we look at the day trading time frame from the 15-minute and from 30 minutes perspective, we can see that there is a doji followed by bearish price action, and here we can see a consolidation pattern. Multiple time the market grab liquidity and trying to put pressure on the support. As you can see, the market is forming series of lower high here. So we will be waiting for gold to drop and then to break. Then we could see a trend continuation. Initially with the news, we might see a bearish price action on the lower time frame, either on 15 minutes or 5 minutes, and then we might see after break of this any of this low trend continuation to the upside. So this is where based on the real time price action, if we see a very nice looking liquidity candle on the lower time frame, then we will be looking for potential selling opportunity for this potential move. And during the news, as you know that we normally stay in live, so if we see that during the live, we'll also be look for buying opportunity after strong rejection from any of this support. And also I'll be keeping you updated, traders, during the live session. With that said, thank you for joining this free educational analysis. If you enjoy this, make sure you give a thumbs up, and also join the free Telegram channel for more trade ideas and education like that. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.